When you think of a school, what comes to mind? Chalkboards and desks, bustling hallways, and lively lunchrooms. But what if a school could be more? A center of community, a place to improve student achievement and strengthen families. General Beadle Community School is doing just that. Located in the heart of Rapid City, it is a vibrant, multi-use center that provides access to a range of services and supports lifelong education for children and their families. Here, there are no limits, no boundaries, only a passion to provide essential opportunities.
I'm Carrie Davis, and I'm the principal here at General Beadle Elementary. You know, General Beadle, it's very unique with the public library and the clinic attached to it. We're the only community school in South Dakota. Our mission really is about the partnership and the communities and having a healthy child. And the healthy means the social piece of it, but as well as their medical piece. It's really been a benefit to be able to see a kiddo who comes through who is sick, and if we can't get a hold of a parent or we can't send them home right away, we can walk them over to the clinic. They can get taken care of right then and there, and they can come back to school. General Beadle, for the technology piece, it's ahead of its time, I think, really, for probably even South Dakota and even some of the elementary schools. We have a Promethean board, which is an active board, giant computer screen, really is probably the easiest way to talk about it. And it's interactive, so the kids have that interactive piece where they can go up and do work right then and there. The teachers can take you online and you can go and do a virtual tour. It's awesome. Other things we also have our Discovery program, but then we have the Atiapi program. And Atiapi is wonderful because they really work with the kids, and every student is different. No matter where they come from or who they are or what their background is, they really do focus on that. So it doesn't necessarily have to be that they're just all about the Lakota language, even though they throw that in because that's their biggest piece, is telling stories and learning the language and working with the students. But it's really about that kindness and being good to others is really what they focus on.
At General Beadle Community School, academic enrichment continues long after the school day is over with programs including Discovery and Atiapi.
My name's Nicole Kirk, and my role here at General Beadle is as the site coordinator of the Discovery After School program. While the Discovery program is a place for kids to go after school, we operate every day that school is in session, and we open when school gets out, and we are open until 6 p.m. in the evening. And we do a variety of different activities. We do math and literacy, we do technology in the computer lab. They get a snack, a little recess, and then we kind of alternate arts, crafts, and then other subjects such as science and social studies. And it's a safe place for kids to go after school. Many parents work, or even if they don't work, it keeps the children involved in something constructive after school. It's a structured activity. They're being supervised, and they can do their homework here. There's people here to help them with that. We try to plan our activities around the standards that the school is working on, just to try and give them that additional help that may just push them up a little bit to reach the goal that's been set for them.
Serving students during the day and community members after school, Rapid City Public Library has flourished in its role as a joint-use facility.
My name is Greta Chapman. I'm the director of the Rapid City Public Libraries. One of the main reasons that, as a public administrator, that I believe strongly in combined resources is, one, it's the maximizing of the taxpayers' dollars. So that's an obvious motivation in and of itself. And then the other component is with libraries, by sharing the resources, which isn't always the case in other situations, but certainly by sharing resources, which is what libraries are known for, the more that we can do that collectively, the better we can serve the needs of, in this case, being the students as well as the neighborhood. We have Discovery Days where activities happen here when the school is not in session. We also have family events as well. Authors and summer reading is another very big program that we do. Story time for toddlers. And there's something for all age groups as well. And we do provide ebook clinics as another example of emphasis on technology. Multiple formats when it comes to computers, to iPads, desktops, laptops. Wireless access is a real strong component in the libraries. And mobile devices, cell phones, how to deliver services that are intuitive and can be utilized. Whatever's in the market for technology and the delivery of information is what we place ourselves as far as leading and learning with the community. Is really about the relationships and how you can make anything work if people want it to. And that's been, for me, the most rewarding, because I feel very passionate about how these shared facilities are in the best interest and get us the most mileage and make us a very competitive city by doing so.
Located in General Beadle Community School, Community Health Center of the Black Hills provides quality medical, dental, and mental health care for all community members, regardless of income or insurance status.
My name is Sarah Miller. I'm the registered dental hygienist at the General Beadle Clinic, and I've been working here for 3 years. Our mission is to provide dental care and medical care to the children at the General Beadle School, as well as a few of the other elementary and middle schools in the area. And the dental clinic, we offer exams, cleanings, preventative care.
I'm Jolene Singer. I'm a PA, which is a physician assistant. I work over here at the General Beadle School-Based Community Health Center. I work as a healthcare provider. We try to provide pretty basic healthcare for a lot of the kids over here at the school, General Beadle, but we also provide care to the kids at Knollwood, at Horseman, as well as at North Middle School. And we just kind of do basic things from seeing for sports physicals to doing well child checks. We've seen a lot of the different kids if they are sick. It's just another outlet for healthcare here on this side of town. The goal of the clinic is to really have access to healthcare just really close to the school. So sometimes the nurses will send the kids over directly they don't have to have a parent here even. So I can check them over, send them home if they have strep throat. If they just have an earache, we can take a look in their ears and send them back to school. That way they're not missing school. So it's just a way to get the kids to have medical care without such a hassle for the parents. Just access to healthcare, I think, is probably the biggest. A lot of them have Medicaid, and a lot of the clinics aren't accepting Medicaid any longer, so our clinic still does. So just access to healthcare, and a lot of them don't have cars, so they can just walk right over to the clinic. I have one of my patients, she's an older gal, but she rides her electric wheelchair down every day, and it's the place that's closest to her. So.
The only school of its kind in South Dakota, General Beadle Community School is truly committed to providing the resources for success to students, families, and our Rapid City community.